Hello, this is Carlos, Touch of Class Painting and Handyman Service of Rhode Island, 401-696-1650. As you can see, this is the final product of ceiling repairs, skim coating, sanding, high-speed sanding. And the final product on the walls, 2 coats, trims, 2 coats, heating radiator primed, painted with heat painting. As you can see, everything here, it is freehand, no blue tape at all. Crown moldings, baseboards, window trims, door trims. Absolutely lovely. If you like my video, you can hit like. You can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Yelp. I want to thank you for taking the time and watching these videos. For those who are in need of any type of handyman, carpentry, tiles, window doors, pretty much everything in home improvement, kitchen updates, bathroom updates, you can call me directly at 401-696-1650 or just leave me a message and I will get back with you within the 48 hours. Thank you for watching. And again, this is Touch of Class Painting and Handyman Service. Thank you for watching.